Hi, I'm Tassel, and I'm going to share instructions with you for using the tassel making feature on the Works tool. First, you're going to grab your pegs from down in the storage compartment, and for tassel making you need 3 pegs. You're going to line 2 of those pegs up right next to each other, and then you're going to pick where you want the 3rd one, and that's going to determine the length of your tassel. So I'm going to put mine right there. Then you'll take your yarn and tie a knot on the bottom peg to hold it securely. So then you'll start wrapping your yarn around, and the more yarn you wrap, the fuller your tassel will be. So once you've got a good amount of yarn on there, go ahead and trim and then tie this again on the bottom peg in a knot to hold it securely. Then you're going to cut a 6 to 8 inch length of yarn, and you're going to tie it right up here just below the 2nd peg. Nice and tight in a double knot. And if you like to use your tassels for hanging, at this point you can add a string right here at the top so you can use it for hanging later. So then you'll remove the tassel from the pegs, and I kind of like to slide this up a little bit towards the top. And then trim the excess pieces off. And then trim the loops. And this is the perfect embellishment for a planner or for a beautiful piece of home decor, and they're super easy to make. If you'd like to learn more about all the features of the Works tool, check out our YouTube channel. Thanks for joining me.